Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na kabanta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa% ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kajingwan Amit Shah Umintri Tanat Kampo Yen ka Sorkar Committee ka 73rd plenary session jang North Eastern Council ha ka South Rik Ujilio Arda Arpunrio ka kila long penban kum kajingwan ban pinbitaryo Paidbah na ka daw ka ta ka VVIP culture. Kajing bitaru Paidbah kelas dang hi na do ka performance step na marmarya khe bat haba kelas dang ban mi na leyeng kata banit on ye ki khon chi ki school kidan ki belet cha ka bella ki belet office ki belet chayo shahan kila shak ta ling ba kajing bo no entry hajan baro ki lan ki surak bat ki linti ki bedai ki linti banyat kita ki VVIP. Kum menjipentep buat kajing pentep bendan kajing bo iki no entry ru kadai ka bagi Paidbah kim de tep ha namar ki Kynnoh ba kim dan jing tep AA Henry ladangi Paidien chi kijing jai ki blaja kham hashwa kini ki laja ba wan kini ki VVIP but bon sien hi Paidbah ubitar ya kata ka VVIP culture but bakin penrem kum ha ki rinsan social media but kiwe kawai na kum kini kajing penrem kalawan ling ba kawai kajing thoa kabla sapriang ha WhatsApp kabla thoa the way real rang ba ubla ong kum ni kabangin politik ya ka e ka baula thoa ha ka ktian nong way. As a concerned citizen, I wonder what are those advisors to the CM doing? It's highly ill-advised to host any crucial meetings in Shillong nowadays. Why not shift all the official meets to New Shillong? Over there, newly developed infrastructures are in place. Example, auditoriums, conference hall, etc. If pruning and facelifting is required, it's no issue at all. For even temporary international event venues could be arranged by spending a few lakh of rupees. Then what is the problem in making all the facilities at New Shillong functional with all the necessary state-of-art accessories? Why add more woes to the other stressed commuters of Shillong? Shame to those mamuli advisors if they don't possess even an iota of common sense. Sakaway pat kabagi Paidbah kila shna gum kedur haring kat kajing thoa ka badan ru ya kajing batay na ka police traffic halor ka no entry ka blaong. Hatu ki Paidbah kinang yai mat ya ka Dheng kali tang na kajing wan kita ki menteri Sorkar na Delhi. Hadian kini kalawan ru sa ka Kyrwoh na ka Hinyotrap Youth Council ka blaong baka Sorkar ka diban sangye ya ka VIP culture ka pinchitom yu Paidbah badru bakan penrem ya ka jingle ka Sorkar ka pampatiaw ya ka suru Paidbah da ka bagi don por ban khang penban ya ka surak hadu bakan kata iki khina school ki samla puli bat kiwe. Nalor kini kijing thoa ki badan Henry kham hashwa ka dan ki video ki bapin I kumno Paidbah ubitar hadu ba kim salia banyanya bat kita ka magister ne ki he pulet ki badan ha ka kam kata ha ka thain polo.
Notification. No way. You declare state holiday. No, this is not fair. Whoever is coming, this is not fair. This is not fair on time. All the taxes are on time. Why should I lose my time? This is not fair. There is no notification on road block. There is no notification.
Habatin, Paidbah ki kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam duna ki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khaw kamlo ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ikadur jing ki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya